Jody Santamaria, isa ng certified positive psychology coach. Ibinahagi nga ni Jody ang unti-unti niyang pag-abot sa kanyang mga pangarap. Ayon kay Jody, soon isa na siyang MA degree holder in counseling and psychotherapy and a grief support practitioner. At habang nag-aaral nga ay isa na ring ear acupuncture detoxification specialist si Jody. At sa kanyang Instagram post ay ibinahagi nga ni Jody ang inspiring journey niya patungo sa kanyang mga pangarap. Aniya, when God plants a dream in your heart, it's never by accident. It's His gentle reminder that you're made for more, that your steps are guided, and that even in the waiting or the struggles, He is shaping you for the promise. Hold on. Trust the process and keep moving forward because what He begins in you, He intends to complete. Maging mga kapwa celebrities naman ni Jody ay na-inspired din sa kanya, kagaya nila Bella Padilla at Bianca Gonzalez.